What's going on, guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the slime, scabs, and levers. It's a pre-glued patches that every bike rider needs to have. So looking at the box, we have this here. I love the fact that they have directions in the back. This really helps, even though the directions are kind of inside, but it's good to know that we have the back part of it. I will try not to tear this off. So as you can see, scabs and levers to repair instructions. Of course, it tells you 6 scabs. More than enough. 2 bike levers, which kind of makes up for it because we have a hard time taking out the bikes. Hopefully they don't break. Hopefully they're good quality. So yeah, remove tube from tire, which is deflate completely used tire. Let's remove the tire from the rim. Locate puncture, which the holes do never look like that. That looks like a single snake bite, but usually they're really small that you get, like about that size. Like, see that little thing right there? That's how usually the holes are. Scuff the area, which I think is included in here. I don't know if it's in there. We'll open it right now with the little thing. Peel off scabbing, which is from these little dudes. And then we're going to apply the scab, place back the puncture, press firmly, and then replace the tube and with the tire casing and reinflate tube. And that's it. So let's go ahead and open it. Like I said, I'm going to try to open it safely, so I can keep the instructions. Ow, it went through my nail. Well, that's kind of great. Try from the top. Actually, I don't have any of the. Oh, perfect. Sweet. So I recommend taking it from the top. I don't want to tear the back because I'm actually going to hang the back in case I'm not here. Someone can actually do it. So yeah, sweet. So we're getting these 2 levers here. And then we have this one right here. Awesome. Well, technically I could tear everything off, but whatever. So we have this right here. Slime. That's pretty sweet. And then we have this other over here. And then we have the scabs. Awesome. So it comes with 6 as requested. Here are the instructions, but this is too small. I mean, I could read it, but I don't think anybody else can read this. So we have to apply pre-glue strap, rough and puncture, insert inner tube, and then we have the 6 scabs. So like I said, it's straight to the point, guys. There's about 6 of them, super straight to the point. Oh, here's the scaping. That's super sharp. Always really helpful. Apply it to the tire. It always helps. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in case, you know, there's quality control doesn't work. So yeah, guys, there you have it. There's 9 pieces, patches, levers, and tires. So 6, 7, 8, and 9. So they weren't lying. So it's from Slime. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I've changed so many tires. I kind of want to go tubeless actually, but I'll give it some thoughts. But for now on, once again, this is a Slime, scabs, and levers. Drop the comments down below if you have any questions or how to put it, and I'll let you know how it goes. Peace.